Hi everyone. Today we will see National Highways Authority of India notification. The first vacancy is Deputy Manager in Finance and Accounts. This is pay level 10 job. So starting basic is 56,100 for this post. On basic you will get DA, HRA, transport allowance. So including dearness allowance, house rent allowance, transport allowance. Your total salary will be around 1 lakh change. This is Group A post. Age limit is 30. So total 9 vacancies are there. 5 vacancies under river category and 2 on OBC, 1 for SC, 1 for ST, 1 for PWD. Next post is library and information assistant. This is pay level 6 job. So here your starting basic is 35,400. Total salary will be around 70,000 change. This is Group B post. Age limit is 30. Only one vacancy is there under where category. Next, junior translation officer. This is also pay level 6 job. Starting basic is 35,400. The age limit is 30. Here also one vacancy is there. Next post is accountant. This is pay level 5 job. Starting basics 29,200. Here 42 vacancies are there. These 42 vacancies include current and backlog vacancies. Under your category there are 12 and OBC there are 7, for SC 4, for ST 2 and PWD 4. 9 plus 4, 13 vacancies under backlog category. And a stenographer. This is pay level 4 job. Starting basic is 25,500. This is Group C post. Accountant and stenographer. These two are Group C post. For stenographer, age limit is 28. Total 31 vacancies are there. 5 under open category. 3 vacancies under OBC. 2 under SC. ST category no. And this one EWS category. 1 vacancies under EWS. So these are backlog. 11 vacancies for OBC, 6 for SC, 3 for ST. Here the number of vacancies advertised may increase or decrease as per requirements of the authority. Next we will see the eligibility or qualification. First post Group A, that is Deputy Manager in Finance Accounts. This is for only category of benchmark disability. Category, the first post shall be filled by any of the following 3 categories of the benchmark disability. It can be filled by any of these 3 disability categories. This is Group C. Same, these 2 posts shall be filled by any of the following 4 categories of benchmark disability, subject to the restriction of reservation to 1 post for each disability. Next, Group C. These 2 shall be filled by any of the following 4 categories of benchmark disability. This category 1, category 2. This is all about disability categories. Next, we will see the important dates. The opening date for online registration is 30 October. So it's already started. The last date for submission of online application is 15th December till 6 p.m. And the crucial date for determination of age limit for post is the receipt of the online application. The last date for receipt of online application. So the last date 15th December. So your eligibility criteria will be decided as on 15th December 2025. Next, reservations. So reservations as per government rules. These are about reservations. Here there is a service band. So all selected candidates in Group A post at the time of joining the post in the authority will have to execute a service bond for an amount of 5 lakhs rupees for serving National Highways Authority of India for a minimum period of 3 years from the date of joining. In the event of their resignation, resigning from the service of authority before expiry of the bond period, or in case of termination of their service on account of their misconduct within 3 years of their joining the National Highways Authority of India, such candidates will be liable to pay an amount of 5 lakhs to the National Highways. This means you have to serve the minimum 3 years National Highways from the date of joining. Suppose if you resign within 3 years, then you have to pay 5 lakhs as penalty. So please be very careful while applying. So all selected candidates in B and C post, for this is for Group A post, this is for Group B post. So if you join Group B, Group C, so there is a bond for you also, there is a bond. So amount is only 3 lakhs. Suppose if you resign within 3 years, then you have to pay 3 lakhs. For a Group A post, it is a 5 lakhs. For Group B, it is 3 lakhs. Next, we will see the qualification and age limit. For Deputy Manager Group A post, the essential qualification is MBA, Master of Business Administration Finance, through regular course from recognized university. So the age limit is 30. The qualification is MBA in Finance. For Library and Information Assistant, the qualification is Bachelor in Library Science from recognized university or institute. So degree in Library Science. For Junior Translation Officer, the qualification is Master's degree of recognized university, Hindi with English as compulsory or elective subject, or as the medium of examination at the degree level, or Master's degree of recognized university in English with Hindi as compulsory or elective subject, or as the medium of examination at the degree level, or Master's degree of recognized university in any subject other than Hindi or English with Hindi medium and English as a compulsory or elective subject, or as a medium of examination at the degree level, or Master's degree. So Master's degree, this is all qualification for Junior Translation Officers. You can read it from here. Next we will see accountant. The qualification of accountant is bachelor's degree from a recognized university and institute, and bachelor's degree is required, and intermediate in CA. Bachelor's degree and intermediate in CA, or intermediate in cost and management accountant. So bachelor degree is compulsory. Along with the degree, you need to have intermediate in CA or intermediate cost and management accountant. The age limit is 30. Next, stenographer. Here also bachelor degree is compulsory. Along with the degree, you need to have this following qualification, that is dictation of 5 minutes at the speed of 80 words per minute in shorthand in English or Hindi, and transcription time on computer only shall be 50 minutes for English and 65 minutes for Hindi. So along with degree, there is a dictation. Next, here is one important one. So the candidate appearing final year or whose result of final examination is awaited are not eligible to apply. So who are in final year and who are waiting for the final year result, so they are not eligible to apply. So there is a relaxation as per Government of India rules. There is age relaxation for SC/ST candidates. 5 years age relaxation is available. For OBC, 3 years is available. This for persons with benchmark disabilities. So for If SC/ST PWD candidate, 15 years age relaxation available. For OBC PWD, 13 years. For general or your candidates PWD, 10 years age relaxation is available. Departmental candidates who are rendered at least 3 years of continuous regular service under National Highways Authority of India. So up to the age of 40 years, or for your EWS candidates, there is relaxation of 5 years. So for OBC candidates up to the age of 43, 5 years age relaxation is available. So age will be calculated as an last date, that is last date, 15 December 2025. Examination fee for UR, OBC, EWS candidates, the processing fee is 500 rupees for each post. For SC/ST persons with benchmark disability, there is no fees. In addition, applicable charges will also borne by the candidates. Next, here how to apply. Please read carefully while uploading documents and uploading this printing of submit application form. This is a compensator tab and essence tab. Next, we will see the scheme of examination, exam pattern. Here he has done. There will be 2-tier examination. CBT, computer based test, followed by an interview. On the basis of performance in CBT, the candidates will be called for interview or personal interaction in the ratio of 1:5 for each category wise vacancies. This is a syllabus for computer test, tier 1 or part 1, logical reasoning and general mental ability intelligence test. So 10 questions will be there, and 10 marks for 1 mark for each question. And quantitative abilities 10 marks, general knowledge 10 marks, 10 questions, general verbal ability English language 10 questions and 10 marks. Next, tier 2, this is part 2. In the same exam there is a part 2 so domain specific questions, like for accounts there is specialization is there na. So for accounts and the syllabus is commerce and business studies, economics, accounting, financial or cost accounting, budgeting, annual accounts, taxation, auditing, investments and financial management, store and inventory management, financial markets and banking. So domain specific question, that is 180 questions will be there and 80 marks. So total questions 120 and total marks is 120. Next, there is an interview based on your performance computer test. 1 candidates will be called in the ratio of 1:5. So interview will be conducted by the National Highways Authority as per extant regulations. So there is 15 marks, only 15 marks per interview. Total 135 marks. This is for which post actually? Group A post. Next, for library information assistant, there is only one exam for this. There is no interview for library information assistant. The exam pattern is same. So for 15 mark logical reasoning, general mental ability, intelligence test, 15 questions will be there, and 15 questions from quantitative abilities, and 15 questions from general knowledge, and 15 questions from English language. So total 60 questions, and the remaining 60 questions from domain specific questions, that is related to your subject, related to your library information assistant. So total 160 questions and 120 marks. So there is no interview for this post. You will be selected based on your written test, based on your performance in written test. Next, for junior translation officer, the syllabus for junior translation officer. So here also part 1, part 2. Part 1 only GK and logical reasoning, general mental ability, intelligence test, and quantitative abilities. So total 40 marks, 20 marks from GK and 20 marks from reasoning and quantitative abilities, and remaining 80 questions from your domain specific questions related to your post. So total 120 questions and 120 marks. For this post also there is no interview. Next, accountant. For accountant also part 1, part 2. Part 1 is for 40 questions, 10 marks from logical reasoning and 10 marks from quantitative abilities and 10 marks from GK and 10 marks from English. So total 40 questions, 40 marks, part 1. So total time is 2 hours. For all posts, total time is 2 hours. So remaining 80 questions from domain specific questions, accounting standards in the tax related matters. So total 120 questions, 120 marks. There is no interview for this post also. Stenographer. Here also two-tier examination, that is, this is also two-tier. One is test and one is dictation skill test. First computer based test, then followed by skill test. The computer based syllabus is logical reasoning, 30 questions from logical reasoning, 30 questions from GK and 30 questions from English. So total 120 questions, 120 marks. Time is 2 hours. There is no part 2, only part 1 syllabus is the part 1, and part 2 is the skill test. You need to type in the computer, dictation of 5 minutes at the speed of 80 words per minute, and a shortened English or Hindi, and transcription time is on computer only shall be 15 minutes for English and 65 minutes for Hindi. Time duration is 50 minutes for English and 65 minutes for Hindi. Total marks. So minimum qualifying marks for UR is 40% and OBC, EWS 35% and SC, ST, PWD 30%. So cities, this exam will be conducted in the following cities. So these are the general instructions. Please go through the general instructions before applying carefully. These are all common instructions. Please join the Telegram channel. This PDF file will be uploaded in Telegram channel. You shall learn. Thank you very much. These are all general instructions. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. You shall learn. Thank you.